It is way too cold to be doing this. Hey guys, welcome to the first video. I'm currently standing in our old barn where we keep our bucks. This is where we start chores, and I'll bring you along for chores. Feed for them. I will do a little bit to this big guy. And we'll go ahead, we'll grab his water. So next we'll go ahead and we'll grab these guys' water. So we got the water buckets filled up, and then we'll just put each of them back in the pens. Now he's got water. I'll go grab the other one. I'll put back in these two guys. And the last thing is just to get them all a little bit of hay. We got bales upstairs above here. So we'll just take some of this. And give to Captain over here. So he'll get that, he'll devour that quite quickly. And then these guys here, these two, they should be good with hay for today. We'll just gotta give some more tonight. Hi. Hey guys, now we're in the new barn. We're gonna go through chores. There's three main steps: feed, water, and hay. We'll start out with feed, and then as we're feeding, we'll take the waters out as we go in and out of the pens. And then we'll dump them out, fill them up, put them back, and then we'll get hay. So, come along for the ride. Hey, come on. freeze. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Austin Hansen and I am a Boer goat farmer in central Minnesota, along with my dad and my brother. I'm currently standing in our goat barn where our goats are kept during the winter and when they're kidding. I created this channel so I could get the concept of farming out there for those who would like to learn more on goat farming and how we as a meat goat farm do things. Also, the challenges farmers and livestock raisers go through every day to get our products out to you in the world or even just our community. Our herd consists of 52 goats that include 26 babies from the last kidding and roughly 25 does and 3 bucks. In our operation, we have 2 barns, an old milking barn which has been converted and this is where we started. And just in the last few years, we built a new barn, which I'm standing in, that is not heated, but hopefully insulated. And it's currently 53 degrees by just the heat of the pack gives off and the animals themselves. We'll get to hay next. So I'm going to put the hay. And then our meadow grass hay, whatever you want to call it. I got one wheelbarrow filled up and half of one.
Hey guys, just wanted to wrap up this first video with thanks for all of you that are gonna subscribe, like this channel. I really do want it to grow. Hopefully it gets out there and really grows. And my goal is to try to get a video out a week on the goats.